The pain I felt is paid for. All